In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a song using your Suno AI account. Music editing can seem like a daunting task, but with the right tools, it can be both easy and enjoyable. Suno AI provides an intuitive interface to modify various elements of your music, whether it's adjusting vocals, tweaking instruments, refining lyrics, or enhancing effects. Let's get started on mastering these features. First things first, accessing your Suno AI account, make sure you have your login credentials ready. Open your web browser, navigate to the Suno AI website, and enter those credentials to log in securely. If you're using the platform for the first time, the well-organized dashboard may seem a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll guide you through each step. Once logged in, you will find a variety of options and an inviting user interface designed for your music editing needs. Now, with your account open, it's time to select the song you wish to edit. If your song is already uploaded to your account, you can find it under My Library. If not, you can simply upload a new track. Ensure that your song is either in good quality MP3 or WAV format, as these are commonly supported. Click on the song to open it in the editor and prepare for the creative editing process. Upon opening your song, you'll see several options for modifying different components of the music. If you're looking to adjust the vocals, you can either enhance or reduce their prominence within the mix depending on the type of impact you're aiming for. For instrument modification, Suno AI gives you the flexibility to amplify or soften individual instruments, bringing out the desired sound in your track. Looking to rewrite lyrics or alter them slightly? You can do so right here. Make sure you use the tool wisely to maintain the melody and rhythm of your song. Finally, effects play an essential role in the richness of your track. Whether it's reverb, echo, or other digital effects, experiment gently to achieve the sound you desire without overdoing it. Before finalizing everything, it's important to preview the changes you've made. Click the preview button to listen to your track and ensure every modification meets your expectations. While previewing, pay attention to the balance between different elements, including vocals, instruments, and effects. Listen closely for any distortions or imbalances that might need further adjustment. Once you're satisfied with how your song sounds, it's time to save your work. Click the Save button to ensure all your edits are securely stored. It's often a good